Welcome back to The Explainer. Okay, today we're setting out on a bit of a journey, transforming the incredibly ordinary into the absolutely extraordinary. If you've ever looked around your house and wondered, how basic materials can actually demonstrate really complex physical science, well, you're in the exact right place. Today, we're unpacking a really amazing demonstration straight from the DIY Science Lab. It's called the Hidden Color Mixer Experiment. Our ultimate goal here? We are literally going to create a living rainbow right in front of our eyes. And, this isn't just about making something pretty. It's this vivid, hands-on lesson in color science that you can literally hold in your hands. Okay, let's dive right into this. How exactly does a simple, everyday paper towel create a living rainbow? I mean, it sounds almost like a riddle, right? Or some kind of magic trip. A paper towel is literally just a disposable thing you use to wipe up coffee spills. But in this explainer, it becomes the crucial canvas for a highly dynamic scientific process. We're going to uncover how layering basic tinting solutions on this totally simple canvas leads to the creation of a stunning, shifting color wheel. The journey from a boring, dry piece of paper to a vibrant, living rainbow, that's exactly what we're here to map out today. Section 1. The living rainbow, a shifting spectrum of color. All right, picture this captivating end result. We're looking at a shifting spectrum. And really think about what a shifting spectrum actually means in this context. It's not some static image like a painting or a printout. It is a dynamic, moving color wheel forming in real time. This is created as colors literally migrate across the physical space of the page. And I love that word migrate because it implies this really active journey. It happens the exact moment the ink meets the water and interacts with the surrounding air. The whole reason we call it a living rainbow is because it changes, it evolves. You're setting up the conditions for this ongoing event where the hues actively draw themselves outward. It's this beautiful sensory experience that perfectly captures the magic of science, even before we unpack the mechanics of how it actually works. Section 2. Safety first. Rules of engagement. Now, even when we're just turning a kitchen counter into a fun science lab, safety is absolutely our first priority. Let's rapidly run through these vital rules of engagement from our source. First up, you gotta wear gloves. We're working with highly concentrated hues here, and they will definitely migrate right onto your skin if you aren't careful. Second, protect your surfaces. You want the living rainbow on the paper towel, not, permanently dyed into your nice dining table. Third, it's strictly advised to use food coloring only for the primary tinting. Just keeps the whole environment completely safe. Fourth, adults definitely need to supervise this curious journey from start to finish. And finally, keep the kids away from any hot solutions you might be using in your prep. Just getting these simple protective measures out of the way ensures our focus stays entirely on the fascinating science at hand. Section 3. Step-by-step setup, the blueprint. Now, what's really interesting about this setup is just the sheer simplicity of it. We're talking about the most ordinary materials imaginable, leading to this totally extraordinary visual outcome. When we look at this step-by-step blueprint, we're really talking about setting the stage for physics to completely take over. Step 1, you're going to mix water, food coloring, and just a bit of standard highlighter ink. That combo forms your tinting solutions. Then, step 2, you dampen your paper towels. Why dampen them? Well, because we're actively preparing the environment for the liquid to travel effectively. And finally, step 3, you carefully layer those tinting solutions right onto the damp towels to start forming the spectrum. It's this deliberate, sequential process that turns, chaotic mixing into a highly structured living rainbow. You're taking these incredibly basic items from a junk drawer or a pantry and methodically engineering a shifting color wheel. It's so cool. Section 4. The science of movement, the invisible forces. All right, here is where we zoom in and uncover the invisible actors making this whole phenomenon happen. The first is capillary rise or capillary action. And listen, this isn't just some dusty science vocabulary word, it is the physical engine drawing the hues across the page. It's the exact reason the colors migrate instead of just sitting there in a stagnant little puddle. When you layer your tinting solutions onto that damp paper towel, the capillary action takes over, literally pulling the liquid through the tiny microscopic fibers of the paper. This happens because the water molecules are actually attracted to the paper fibers. It's an adhesive force strong enough to completely defy gravity and actively stretch that color wheel out, which creates the living rainbow we're looking at. And this brilliantly illustrates our second crucial invisible force, diffusion. If capillary rise is the force pulling the liquid across the page, diffusion is the process where the molecules themselves actually move and mix. It's this incredibly complex interaction taking place the exact second the ink meets the water and the air. Because of diffusion, which is basically molecules naturally spreading from areas of high concentration to low concentration, the distinct bands of your tinting solutions, they don't just sit rigidly next to each other. Instead, they actively blend and merge. The molecules are combining together to create new, smooth, shifting hues within our spectrum. So these two invisible forces, they're working perfectly hand in hand. So the crucial point really comes down to perspective. To our everyday view, we stand back, we watch the experiment unfold, and we just see ink meeting water and air, beautiful colors blooming across a damp kitchen towel. But if we switch to the scientific view, we reveal the reality of what the DIY science lab is describing here. Countless individual molecules actively moving and mixing. It is an incredibly complex, dynamic, microscopic dance happening right there on your countertop. You're literally witnessing microscopic scientific principles operating on a highly visible macro scale. Section 5, Kitchen turned Science Lab, the takeaway. There's a really fantastic takeaway from our source here, turning everyday kitchen items into a vivid lesson in color science. That captures the entire essence and value of our explainer today, doesn't it? We've basically proven that you don't need some multi-million-dollar, highly sterile laboratory to observe profound physical chemistry in action. By literally just mixing water, food coloring, and highlighter ink on a plain old paper towel, you can unlock a vivid, completely memorable scientific discovery. It takes all the intimidation out of science and empowers anyone, literally anyone, to become an active observer of the natural world, right from the comfort of their own kitchen. Which leaves us with a truly fascinating, provocative final question to ponder. We've just seen how incredibly simple it is to reveal the hidden mechanics of capillary rise and diffusion using the most basic household supplies. So, what other invisible molecular forces are reshaping the everyday items in your kitchen right now? If a vibrant, living rainbow can be created from a basic paper towel and some ink, just imagine what else is happening on a microscopic level all around you, just waiting to be discovered. Look closely at your morning coffee brewing, or, the way oil spreads out in a hot pan. The science is absolutely everywhere. So keep that scientific eye open, keep questioning the ordinary, and hey, thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.